Reopening has been an adventure. It's been a lot of fun. It's been 100% crazy. For our members, we spaced out. Right now we're operating about 1/10 of our capacity, even though the federal guidelines or local guidelines say that we can do 50%. We're doing about 1/10 of our capacity for right now until we get the hang of it, make sure everybody's safe, everybody's comfortable, and we work out all of the kinks. Then we're going to gradually increase our in-person membership classes as well. As far as kickboxing goes, kickboxing is both online as well as in-house. We are doing Kung Fu as well. You can log into the Kung Fu class and train along with John and the few members who decide to come in, as well as you can stay at home and do that. The kids class, our kids martial arts classes are online, and then we have a live component as well. We have a couple classes that are strictly online, which is one right now, our Overdrive class, which is our boot camp. The main reason for that is just a very physical class, and if you do come in and train, right now we still have the policy of you have to train with a mask on, and that class might be a little too strenuous to train with something covering your nose and mouth, so for right now people do stay at home. But we have a live class where we do train outside, and with the outside class you don't have to wear a mask as long as people keep their distance from each other. We're going to make sure of that, and it's going to be a very fun thing. So everything that we have online and most of the classes we had before are still available or coming back. The only class that is going to take the longest to come back right now is going to be our jiu-jitsu class, because training with jiu-jitsu, you do need a partner, and it's usually one-on-one. So that is very close and very intimate contact, and until we have basically the guidance and the rules to know that we can train safely for all of our members, we're going to keep that one on the shelf for just a little bit longer.